See, what I've been reading, I've been doing a lot of research since the last year uh, across finding use cases of blockchain across different industries. Not just the SMEs or MSMEs, but for the larger players as well. And what I've with respect to SMEs, what I've figured out is that a lot of startups, they almost 80% of the startups die in the first initial 3 years because of the lack of funding, the capital raising. Uh, that's the prime reason, like why, which defines if a company is going to go forward or is going to die. So what I felt was like, if we have, say, something like blockchain into the system, into the whole entire ecosystem of, say, if I am running a SME, if I have a small company, if I am listed on a blockchain platform using with my company, and we have, say, multiple banks, insurers, regulators, policy makers who are all involved in this ecosystem, then this whole the whole idea of getting my KYC done. I am a new player. Why would a bank put their money on me? Like, if I'm not able to generate that sort of a trust. But say, if I am using a blockchain ecosystem with that, so it imparts that sort of a that kind of a transparency to the entire process. Plus, for me as well, I am also able to understand, what's happening uh, with my credentials, like how are my documents being processed, like are they being stuck anywhere. So everything, this expedition of the entire process, plus the generation of that trust between multiple stakeholders, that does help in, at the first stage, it does help in imparting the capital. Another use case that I found was like, uh, so I stay in Delhi, and I come from old Delhi actually. So I have seen all my life, I've seen markets like Chandni Chowk, Nai Sadak. What I've observed in all these shops or in all these markets is like, most of these shops run on credit lending. आज सामान आएगा, 3 महीने बाद पेमेंट आएगा, या पार्ट पेमेंट अभी आएगा, 3 महीने बाद नहीं आया, तो वी कीप ऑन चेजिंग दी पेयर, लाइक सर पैसे. So this is one thing which I felt like, if we have something of a, say if we can impart something like a smart contract into in this whole entire ecosystem, that would be so critical, just based on, how much how the whole cycle processes. We disperse the pair disperses funds based on that. Nobody can question that. I have seen within my friends only, I've seen cases where, whether the payer says like, he declares insolvency, your money is lost in that sense, and that is for a small company, that is a major kick. So something like that. This is something which I feel blockchain can help it. Another important use case which I felt where blockchain can help is for, we have for SMEs and MSMEs, we have very limited alternative financing processes or techniques. But in the last couple of years, I'm seeing a lot of peer-to-peer funding methods that are cropping up. So which again is no, which again enhances the potential that blockchain can bring to, to regulate, to impart transparency, to increase the efficiency of this entire ecosystem. And we all understand, no, I've read somewhere in one of the business magazines, like the MSMEs and the SMEs, they are the backbone of the entire business ecosystem. So it's I think it's pivotal that we take this turn of, try to educate and impart this, adapt this technology to enhance it further.